Release Aung San Suu Kyi.
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 We want election.
We want election.
No military selection.
No military selection.
Free, free, free Burma.
Free, free, free Burma.
Free, free, free Burma.
Free, free, free Burma.
Release all political prisoners.
Release all political prisoners.
Release all political prisoners.
Release all political prisoners.
Release Aung San Suu Kyi.
Release Aung San Suu Kyi.
Political repression in Burma.
We want election. No,
We want election.
no political selection.
No political selection.
Free, free, free Burma. Free, free, free Burma. Free, free, free Burma. Free, free, free Burma.
Dear friends, friends of the Hong Kong Coalition for Free Burma, it is such an opportunity for me to be with you today on behalf of the oppressed people of Burma. Your support, your unwavering support and commitment to help us bring about democracy in our country is something we hold so deep in our heart. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your efforts. And thank you so much for all the support. Today, as we gather here, this is being a Burmese. It's not surprising. No matter where the regime's apparatuses are, they always close the door to us. And it is so obvious that even these actions that they keep taking is also a sign, a clear sign that the Burmese military regime has no intention whatsoever to do what they're supposed to do, which is to free all the political prisoners and Aung San Suu Kyi, or stop those killing and atrocities against the ethnic people, raping the women, using the children as child soldiers, forced labor. We stand together in our solidarity. I am so sad to see that here in Hong Kong with all the freedom. Now, even they are having hands here. And I hope that is something the people in Hong Kong will take the message that this regime, the Burmese military regime or the killers with their blood hand will not be spread with their power, even to restrict the freedom of movement and freedom of speech and freedom of the basic fundamental human rights that people of Hong Kong already are upholding. I hope this is the last thing that they can ever do. I hope the security men here also understand that as much as you are stopping us here, you are helping this regime to further suppressing our people and killing our people and raping the women in the jungle. So please know that as much as you try to stop us here in our democracy movement, you are further killing our people. I hope you get this message from all of us. People who are in prison, who are being killed in the jungles, who are being forced as refugees and IDPs in the jungle. So again, friends,
want to go. If they say that they want to go to the Myanmar, we will inform them. Sorry, today is closed. Maybe you can come.
Is it closed every Friday?
I don't know.
Why don't you know anything?
Sorry, not every Friday, but today is closed.
You don't know anything.
They want to close, I cannot control. This is their decision.
Of course, but don't you know?
I don't know.
You don't know they're closed every
this
Friday?
is their decision. I have the information.
What kind of manager are you? You don't even know they're open every Friday or not?
They are not every Friday closed, but today is closed.
It's fine, but what is the reason not letting
This is
us
their
to
decision.
go
I don't
to
know.
their office?
I don't know
And
why
the
they
strong
closed.
decision not let us to go inside.
Are they paying you to be
No.
their secretary and their guard?
Of course, no.
You're acting like their guard. It should be our freedom to go to the 22nd, 23rd, 24th floor,
If we
right?
have the